Today we're gonna do a popular request along with a super fast design, a princess crown. Now that spring is here, this springtime princess is perfect for toddlers all the way to adults. Let's get started.
First, with a 3/4 inch brush, use a rainbow cake of choice to start your centerpiece. Do 2 petals, a point, and then 2 petals on the other side. Then, with the same brush, make pointy petals, kind of like you're making leaves on each side of the centerpiece. Then apply glitter. Create 2 more pointy petals on each side, kind of curving the eyebrow. Next, create a curve from the edge of the eyebrow to the corner of the eye. Then apply 2 small petals below the corner of the eye, and make sure to repeat it on both sides. Then apply glitter. Next, with a number 2 brush, create 3 teardrops in between each petaled area. Take your time when doing these petals. When they are smaller, it looks better than larger teardrops. But also have fun with the teardrops. The great thing about face painting is that there are no big rules. Just make sure that you take your time and create something that you love.
Hey there! Every week we post fun, fast, easy face painting tutorials, so don't forget to subscribe. And sometimes twice a week we post bonus videos, so make sure to hit the bell to know exactly when the video comes out.
Add just a few more teardrops right below the eye to give it that beautiful look. Then with the same brush, add dots all around your design. If time permits, add some eyeshadow to your princess. Here we're using Superstar Shimmery Purple. When it comes to eyeshadow, it is best to use pearl colors to give it more of a makeup look and less like paint. And if you wish to add depth, add Shimmer Magenta on the outside of the eyelids. With a number 2 brush, add small teardrops on the inner corner of the eye, along with teardrops on the bottom of the centerpiece. And you're pretty much done. But wait, there's more! Gems and glitter time! Here we're using Pink by Pixie glitter right below the eyes. And if you like, you can also add it around your crown, but sometimes less is more. Then add any gems of choice as your centerpiece. The glue that we are using is Pink Glue by YBody. Yay, you're all done! Give yourself and this video a thumbs up.
See you guys next week. Bye bye!